Hey everyone, it's Ben from Snapshades. You're watching installation video I, which is rear door shades for vehicles with frameless rear windows. In your order, you receive your pair of rear door shades, vehicle-specific F-mounts, a pair of magnetic mounts, Snapshades alcohol wipes, and a storage bag. Step 1 is to take note of the location of the mounts. On this Tesla Model Y, we've got a long mount and a short mount on each door that fit on the edge of the door trim like this. Make sure the small arrow marking is pointing towards the glass when you install the mount. The mounts have a lip on the edge that needs to tuck around the edge of the door trim. Next step is to clean the door trim in preparation for adhering the mounts. Just use your Snapshades alcohol wipe and then clean off any residue with a microfiber towel. Step 3 is to peel off the adhesive backing and install the mounts. Make sure the front edge of the mount isn't going to get in the way of the glass. Apply firm pressure to the mounts when adhering them in place and then leave them for 20 minutes for the adhesive to bond before installing the window shade. Once the mounts have bonded, step 5 is to insert the window shade. Just line it up with the 2 channels and slide it into place, ensuring you have a snug fit. If you've adhered the mounts in the right location, the front edge of the shade should be flush with the edge of the mount. On the front of the door and at the back of the door, you'll have a little bit of overhang. Then slowly close the door and make sure you haven't got any interference between the rubber seals and the shade. If you do, you can adjust the shade back and forth a little bit. In this case, everything looks all good. With the window down, step 6 is to locate the magnet on the front corner of the shade. Once you've done that, you can clean the area behind it on the rubber door seal in preparation for sticking the magnetic mount. With the area clean, you can slide the magnet onto the shade, peel off the adhesive, rotate the magnet back around, and press it into place where the shade rests naturally. This extra magnet comes away from the shade when the door is open, but just provides some vibration reduction when the door is closed and the window is down. If the shade doesn't align perfectly with the magnet when the window is open, rolling the window up will seat it back in position. The next time the window comes down, it should be in place. Quick slam test, and your installation is complete.